Hello everyone, welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture, I'll show you how to launch a cloud machine or server on AWS. On AWS, a cloud machine is called an EC2 instance. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Computing. First, go to the AWS Management Console. Your dashboard may be a little bit different from mine, and that is completely okay. Now search for EC2 in the global search bar and click on EC2 service. Click on the Launch Instance button. Now set an instance name. In my case, I will set it Web Project. Next, select an operating system which is called AMI. AWS provides many operating systems like Ubuntu, Windows, and many more. For this project, I'll choose Ubuntu. Now we need to select an instance type. AWS has many instance families like T2, T3, and many more. Each family also have different size such as T2 Nano, T2 Micro, T2 Small, T2 Medium, etc. And each type is used for different purpose and different pricing. For most of web project, T2 or T3 instance are good enough. In my case, I'll select T2 Small. You can also search for instance type if needed. Now we need a key pair. A key pair is used to connect to the instance using SSH from the terminal. Click on Create New Key Pair. A pop-up will open. Now set the key pair name. The name must be unique in your account. Here there are two types of algorithm. One is RSA and another is ED25519. By default, RSA is selected and we will use this. And then file format is .pem and .ppk. I'll use this .pem file. Now click on Create Key Pair. The PEM file will be downloaded automatically. Here an important note, store this file securely. You can download this key file only once. If you lose this file, you will not able to access your EC2 instance using SSH. The storage EBS is set to 8 GB by default. EBS stands for Elastic Block Storage, which is your server hard disk. For now, we'll leave the rest of the setting as default. Now click on Launch Instance. Your instance is now launching. It may take a few seconds. Go to the instance list and you will see that the instance is running. Click on the instance to open the instance detail. Here you can see a public IP address and a private IP address. You will use a public IP address and the PEM file to connect the server. Now go to the folder where your PEM file was downloaded. I will create a folder called Web Project and move the PEM file into it. You may store it in a different location and that is fine. Now open your terminal and go to the directory. Use the following command to connect the EC2 instance. Make sure your terminal is in the same directory as the web.pem file. Now I will write a command ssh-i web.pem. Then the username. The username for the Ubuntu AMI is Ubuntu. Then @ your public IP address. Then press yes to accept the fingerprint. Now you are connected to your EC2 instance. You can run ls. You will see the directory is empty. Now to exit the server, just type exit. Now go back to your EC2 instance detail. click on Connect. You will see different connection options: EC2 Instance Connect, Session Manager, SSH Client. Under the SSH Client, you can see a connection string. Copy the connection string, paste inside the terminal and hit enter. Again press yes. You are now connected to your EC2 instance again. Alright guys, that's all about the lecture. In this video, you learn how to launch an EC2 instance and connect to it using SSH. See you in the next lecture.